What is up, guys? It is your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and in today's video it's going to be really quick. Since we plastic dipped the whole, or removed the plastic dip from the whole car, there's a lot of goo gone everywhere, and that goo gone takes away anything adhesive, so it took off my spoiler. So we're just going to be reinstalling the spoiler back onto the Miata, because it looks bare bones without it. So let's get into that. Let's add some adhesive to this, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So first things first, we have to take off. What I didn't notice was there's actually still plastic dip underneath this. So we're gonna just use some of this goo off that he used in, I believe, a couple episodes previously. Get those little missing spots of plastic dip all around the car. So we're gonna use the same thing, wipe this down, clean this up, and then clean the edges and the parts that are gonna get the adhesive on the car itself as well. And so they can make a nice mating surface. Alright guys, now that we used goo off on the actual spoiler itself and on the mating point on the car, we are going to start cutting and adding some 3M adhesive. 3M's a really good company, they make good stuff, so usually 3M's a really go-to. So we're gonna use, I think, what is this? Probably 1/4 inch?
Yeah,
a little less.
3/8 maybe.
3/8. So we're gonna use this 3/8, and we're gonna double up right over here, and maybe even double up on the other side, because usually you'll use a little bit thicker, probably 1/2 inch, if that, tape, double-sided tape on this. But this is all we got, and it should work perfectly fine. Alright, one last time, we're just going to clear up this area real quick, make sure there's no dust or anything like that. Real quick. We are losing daylight though. A lot easier when you do have two people, so shout out to Peter for the help. So right now we're just going to peel that double-sided part of it, of the tape. It should be fairly easy. Can you get it? Oh god. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, next step, get your buddy and try to align it as centered as possible. We're gonna just eyeball it and stick it down. Usually you want the adhesive to cure for a good day or two, and then you should be fine. But yeah, let's try to align this thing real quick. Try to keep as much pressure down on these things as possible for at least a good couple seconds. Make sure it really sticks. How we looking? Whew. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm saying it's even. I say that's pretty damn straight. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video to install the spoiler for your hardtop. It came out pretty clean. I'm honestly pretty happy with it. It came out straight, thanks to Peter with his precision skills of centering. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click like, subscribe, and make your dreams possible, boys. Go.